Hello, this is Sam from Advantech. We have been working with ElA blockchain solution for a long time, and we integrate blockchain solution with Advantech WISE-IoT. Advantech WISE-IoT is a new business which focused on software business. A lot of people know Advantech have existing hardware business. But from several years ago, we also developed our PaaS platform called WISE-PaaS. And in many usage cases, we actually need a ELA blockchain solution to enhance our security of WISE-PaaS. This is the first solution I want to introduce. This is an industrial app called WISE-iMachine. We focus on three areas. One is factory equipment. The second one is remote equipment management. The third one is station operation and maintenance. The third one is more like oil field and natural gas field. So we use WISE-iMachine to get the data from no matter it's equipment from factory or remote management. We in this three use scenario. We start from basic foundation, which is machine unite. One is machine condition monitoring. So the machine condition monitoring is we get the data from the equipment, and we will build a machine template to apply to various equipment and then build a dashboard to manage all of those machines. The second one is machine performance management. Because customers buy the different equipment and machine, they want to achieve some machine performance, for example, MTBF or OEE. The third one is enterprise asset management, because this is all about investment. So customers need to know the ROI and also the life cycle value of the asset. So this is the basic foundation of the machine unite. When we talk about blockchain, yes, a lot of this equipment, because of a supply chain issue, their downstream customers or system integrator need to know the production records of each part. For example, hand sanitizer or key parts of the automotive. So that's why we need the ELA blockchain solution with our machine unite. Then we have two other value-added service. One is machine PHN, which is for motor, for rotor machine. And we use AI to predict and also prevent machine downtime. The second one, value-added service, is a situation center. For the situation center, we actually can combine not only machine condition status and also many operation status. For example, your stock level or the HR system, to build an overview comprehensive situation center. This is a basic foundation of WISE-iMachine. Because the advance of IoT service, a lot of customers also ask the security and also irreversible data of all of those IoT. Then that's why we need to integrate the ELA blockchain solution. So like what I say, we need to product tracing, including food distribution. So we have customer, they actually build their fleet management or cold chain based on WISE-I machine. The second one is fuel and chemicals management. A lot of these chemical factories, they use so much energy. And for some governments, they actually need to send the energy data to the government portal. So they need a good solution to make sure the integrity of those data. Then, like we also have water and recycling management, because in many cases, again, this is about the government, this is about the security, that is about the data integrity. So that's why we need the ElA blockchain storage, blockchain solution to integrate with our existing IoT solution. So this is our medical product tracing. As I say, we use WISE-I machine from end to end, start from manufacturer, because government need to know the production status of our manufacturer. The second one is distributor. We have a system integrator to use our solution to build their own fleet management or cold chain solution to make sure end-to-end from the trucking, from the refrigerator, from the fridge, to make sure the right temperature from manufacturer to distributor. Then we store in pharmacy, including hospital pharmacy, public pharmacy. We put a sensor and to get the right data and to use ElA blockchain solution from end to end. So we can 100% to make sure our patient, our consumer can get the right medicine. That's why we introduce IoT solution with ElA products. The second one is machine-to-machine communication. In some cases, we actually don't need human interfaces to control all of those equipment. But the problem is, if that is machine-to-machine communication, we want to make sure we have traceability of those communication. So Advantech, as the world-leading hardware gateway provider, we can make each gateway as a node to get those data from equipment. And then with ElA blockchain solution, we can make sure in the end, if we want to do some analysis, blockchain can help. We get the right data. We get a more secure data. The next is when we talking about digital transformation. You can see this is a cold chain example we had in Asia. In the past, customer used paper and a thermometer to record those temperature information, but that is very labor intensive. So they adopt Advantech IoT solution to make all of those information digitalization. And so this is the places we put our sensor and the gateway. So you see, we have our sensor track 120 and our gateway track 530. And also we have our thermometer for workers to get those PDA to check the temperature of the meat or our food and send the data to track 530. So for this case, first we get the digital data. The second is we integrate with ElA blockchain solution. So you see in this slide, we actually integrate blockchain solution. So each temperature data point, we encrypt it into block. So from supplier, carrier, manufacturer, we can make sure we get the right product to get the best product for our end customer. We call it food resume. So customer can make sure each point in supply chain, we keep our food in right temperature. The second one is in the previous section, I talked about blockchain applications in industrial world. Here, I want to talk about blockchain applications in healthcare. In healthcare, how we securely get the right data is even more important than industrial world. So there's many scenarios like surgery monitoring, urgent care, virtual medical care. All of this, we need to get the digital data. And then, of course, we need to make sure we get the right data. This is our architecture of our WISE-PaaS. So you see, we have so many edge devices. This is the endpoint we get the data. And then we have edge solution ready package, like video service, signage. All of those data will show to our patient, nurse, or doctors. And we build our application on top of WISE-PaaS. Then we also integrate hospital IT as one solution. So in these cases, we need to have an ElA blockchain solution to supply right data for AI or government. In many cases, of course, WISE-PaaS can integrate with public cloud like Azure or AWS. But at the same time, we need a private cloud because in some area, government are not allowed to send the patient data or equipment data to public cloud. So Advantech integrate our own hardware as a turnkey solution to provide to hospital. This is a scenario that we already built an AI model for X-ray. And so the first is we get the data directly from our equipment, medical images, and to send the edge gateway to do the inference. And we have expert confirmation that is doctor or some medical expert to make sure our AI to put the right label on the issue of problems happen in the X-ray or customer's body. Then if our AI have something wrong, we need to have a labeling and then upload to our WISE deck to retrain our model and to deploy to our edge. That is so-called model refinement. Keep this looping, we can improve our AI accuracy. The good thing about this ElA blockchain is we already list on our WISE marketplace. So customer can search more data about a product in product details. Thank you for your time. We are very happy to work with ElA blockchain solution provider. Thank you.